Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today we're taking a look at https://ProConnect.intuit.com. Intuit ProConnect, a professional tax software suite. Intuit ProConnect offers a variety of tools and resources designed to streamline the tax preparation process for professionals. Whether you're managing a small practice or working within a larger firm, ProConnect provides solutions tailored to different needs and scales. The platform boasts features like client management tools, allowing for organized record keeping and efficient communication. Integrated tax preparation software simplifies complex tax calculations and form completion, reducing the chance of errors and saving valuable time. Additionally, ProConnect offers secure e-filing options, ensuring the safe and timely submission of tax returns. One of the significant advantages of using a platform like ProConnect is the access to continuous updates and support, keeping you informed about the latest tax laws and regulations. This is crucial for maintaining accuracy and compliance in the ever-evolving tax landscape. Intuit ProConnect also offers various pricing plans, allowing you to choose the option that best aligns with your business requirements and budget. From solo practitioners to large firms, ProConnect offers scalable solutions to accommodate various practice sizes. Furthermore, integrating with other Intuit products, such as QuickBooks, can create a more seamless workflow for managing client finances and tax information. The user-friendly interface is designed to be intuitive, even for those less tech-savvy, minimizing the learning curve and allowing you to focus on serving your clients. By leveraging the power of automation and integrated tools, ProConnect strives to improve efficiency and productivity in tax preparation. This can translate to not only time saved, but also the potential for increased revenue. If you're a tax professional looking to streamline your workflow and improve accuracy, ProConnect is certainly worth considering. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more information. You can also find further resources and support on the Intuit ProConnect website. Remember, efficient tax preparation is key to a successful practice, and tools like ProConnect can help you achieve that. So, take advantage of the resources available and explore how ProConnect can benefit your tax business.